This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a new chapter of GW Basic Programming Language, and the name of the chapter is Graphics in Basics. So we're gonna learn today is the first module. It will be an introduction to graphics in GW Basic Programming Language. So let's start. Graphics is an art to design and produce pictorial representation of information. This facility is provided in almost all the versions of basic language. It is displaying information on screen. Graphic is that area of computer programming which is highly in use these days. It depends on the hardware such as input, output, and graphic card, color, graphic adapter, video graphic array. Let us start from the beginning. Computer screen is made up of hundreds of pixels. The number of pixels horizontally and vertically determines the resolution of computer monitor. In GW Basic, we can be in any number of graphic modes which define the current graphic resolution, pixels, text resolution, characters, number of colors, and number of video page purpose, video pages. There are 13 screen graphics modes, and each has its different purpose. There are several ways of drawing to the screen. Each uses things called coordinates to define what area of the screen to use. A coordinate is specific pixel, picture element. A pixel is one dot on the screen. A computer screen is made with 1 million little square of color pixel. We can determine any coordinate. A coordinate can be determined by counting the numbers of pixels down and the number of pixels to the right pixel. BASIC provides 3 modes of displaying data. And those 3 are: first one is text mode, second one is medium, resolution, graphic mode, the last one, third one, is high resolution. Graphic mode. While we will discuss the text mode. It is used for only textual data in text-based graphic. Text and lines can be drawn on the screen. The whole screen is divided into 80 columns. and 25 rows. It has 16 colors out of 2 colors palettes. Columns are divided from are counted from 0 to 39 or 79, and rows from 0 to 24. So these are all very important figures. I'm gonna bold and underline them. Very important. From multiple choice questions point of view, we should know all these countings, numbers of palettes, and the number of columns, starting and the ending number. Now we'll discuss the medium, resolution, graphic mode, it is used to it is used in drawing graphic. The display screen is divided into a matrix consisting of 320 columns, very important point to note, and 200 rows of pixels. So I'm going to underline all these readings, very important to note. Thus the position of each and every pixel will be determined by its coordinates on x-axis and y-axis of the screen. This graphic mode works with 4 colors. The different four colors are 0, 1, 2, 3. Out of 4 colors, can be chosen for background, and one for foreground. each of the foreground. So next we will discuss high resolution, graphic mode, it is used in drawing graphics with matrix of 640 into 200 pixels. We are able to display the text characters in 25 lines of 80 characters in each line. So that's all, viewers. We have discussed in today's video the basic intro of the graphics in GW Basic, and we have discussed the intro, and we have discussed the total 3 modes of displaying data, and we have discussed each and every graphic mode: the text mode, medium resolution graphic mode, and high resolution graphic mode, with all the description and detail. That's all. Thanks for watching.